Hey guys, let me show you how our booking system works. One of the greatest things about Workee is we have already fully professional booking system built in your Workee account. So there is no need for you to use something else or integrate any other solution. With Workee, booking system works very easy. First of all, you need to select what days and times you are available for your customers to book you for a call. In my example, let me select Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for example, I want to customize hours when I am available. I want to say that I am available from 9 a.m. maybe to 11 a.m. and then I can click on plus, and I can also say that I'm available from like 1 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. So it means that my customers can book me only in these specific days and only in these specific time slots. Let me click create, save, and my availability is already saved and I can see it right here.